In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Charger key fob. This key fob was used on Chargers back in 2008 up to 2010, and it takes just one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these online for just a couple of bucks. I will put a link down in the description if you want to pick one of those up, and then just follow along. Super easy. The first thing we want to do is come down to this area where the keyhole is, and you can see, if you look closely, there's this indentation, and then there's the seam. We want to come in on the corner of that with something like a flathead screwdriver, and if you just come in and put a little bit of pressure, you can see that it will slide in just like that. Once you're in there, once you get in, you can just turn like a key, just enough to start to pop this thing open. And then what I like to do is just go into that opening and continue turning until you kind of feel the two parts click apart. What we have here, you might open it, it's going to look more like that. This part you can just set aside. Now here we have the rubber and the circuit board. Carefully take it apart, set that to the side, and now we just get under the battery with our flathead screwdriver. It takes very little effort, very little force to lift that out of there. Now we have our CR2032. Take a new one and make sure this positive side goes face down, just like that. And slide it first towards this metal component. Make sure that side is down in place. And then you can just click the other side down. Okay, now we take this and line that up. Set it on top so you're just going to feel that it's secure, it's not going anywhere. And then we're going to put this on top. Click everything back together, and that's it. You changed your battery, you're all set, ready to go. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries for any of your key fobs for any maker model, go ahead and check out the rest of the videos on our channel here on YouTube or visit fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.